This is Brian Decker with your Market Minute. This is going to be probably a longer Market Minute than normal because I want to talk to you about the different manias, the different booms and busts, and you've been a part of this. So you've seen it, witnessed it. Of course, we start with the dot-com boom. Really did change how we do business. It changes the way we shop for everything from groceries, automobiles, medical and legal services. It's still evolving and changing the way things happen every day. Online search, e-commerce, social media, they're available 24/7 and they're embedded seamlessly in billions of lives. The tech-heavy index, the NASDAQ, has surged more than 250% from October of 1998 through March of 2000, and that's when it peaked. Then we run into the bubble bursting. The NASDAQ was down 78% from its peak to the bottom in October of 2002. Like all manias, the ensuing bust wiped out many, many folks. Now let's go on to the second bubble, the real estate bubble. During the housing bubble, a lot of people made a lot of money flipping houses. And since the housing prices have, get this, never fallen before, everyone believes they never would. You know what happened next? The housing bubble blew up. Before long, we were all living through the great financial crisis, complete with massive bailouts of huge institutions like Bear Stearns, Merrill Lynch, Lehman, Washington Mutual, Countrywide. Believe it or not, the underlying premise of the housing bubble wasn't completely wrong. Everybody in the financial markets believed the home values couldn't fall because they never had before, and then they did. Housing prices fell from 2006 to 2012, wiped out a lot of people. Now let's go to other bubbles that we've seen. Manias like large cap growth stocks, risky technology stocks, clean energy, special purpose acquisitions, the marijuana stocks, the cryptos, the meme stocks, the short squeezes, speculative option buying. All those bubbles have burst, and now we're starting a new one. AI. AI's begun, it's very powerful, it's virtually guaranteed to change the way we live, work, and basically do everything. Automation, efficiency, advanced decision-making, enhanced personalization, improved customer service, scientific medical advancements, innovation, economic growth, addressing global challenges, all of it. NVIDIA is the Cisco systems of this era. Cisco was the flagship stock of the internet boom. NVIDIA is the flagship of the AI boom. Cisco made the internet plumbing, switches and routers, and NVIDIA makes the AI plumbing, computer chips, graphic cards. And of course, as I said, and you've seen this last week in the write-up, Cisco never traded for 200 times net profit until it peaked in 2000. NVIDIA currently trades at 190 times net profit. If you buy the whole company today, which would cost you roughly $970 billion, by the way, it would take you 190 years to get your money back. NVIDIA hasn't grown in recent years either. Its business is actually shrinking, but the company's trailing 12 revenue has declined in each of the past 3 quarters, including the most recent one. It looks more like an expired growth story than anything else. But this stuff, when it reverses, it is brutal. It happened with the dot-com bust, it's happened with the housing bust, it's happening with the other bubbles that we've talked about, and it will happen with AI mania. There's no reason to be it won't be brutal again. It's coming. We don't know how long this is going to run, but just know the valuations have already got to nosebleed levels. So buyer beware. Hope you have a good week.